Happy Sweet 16. Aww.
Every year.
Yes, that's what I do.
I'm gonna try to get in here with my nails. My
Good
nails
luck.
make it hard.
Yeah, aren't they cute though?
They're so
It's
cute.
not
This one's a little
focusing.
messed up, but that's because I didn't want to wear that one, and I tried to pry it off, but it didn't work, so I just continue wearing it, broken and all.
Oh, that's pretty.
That is pretty.
Oh.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Smell it, it smells so good. Okay, you guys, we were just on our way to Ben and Jerry's, to the graveyard and to get some ice cream, but a while ago we passed by a tiny little waterfall that we were very upset that we didn't get to go to, but driving along we found that there was a sign for another waterfall, and so we decided to stop, and it looks like it's going to be a trail, and so we're going to do a little trail and see if we can find this waterfall. We have made it to a Cold Hollow Cider Mill, and of course we had to get a creemee for Maddie's birthday. I've heard there are different flavor creamies like maple and apple cider. I'm assuming this one might be apple cider, but we didn't have a choice.
It smells like maple.
Oh, does it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so we're gonna try our first creemee for her 16th birthday. Go for it. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
It is maple.
Oh, it's creamy. Oh, it's good.
Okay.
Oh, okay, Vermont. I see you. I guess I'm moving.
We could have got a dreamy where they fill it as an ice cream sandwich between the donuts.
Oh my gosh.
We do have apple cider donuts if you want to take it with this.
Oh, this is so good.
Okay. If you've not been to Vermont, you've not had a creemee, it is a must go do.
Yes.
The apple cider mill is, or I'm sorry, Cold Hollow Cider Mill. It's a good stop. I think really it's worth it just for this right here. There's a lot of stuff to look at inside, but I don't think the stop itself is like, oh wow, you gotta go there. This is what you gotta go there for.
Yeah.
And I think you can get these anywhere, but I don't know. But we got a few other things. We got some gifts for back home, and that is that. for our dinner, we decided to do some take home. And this one is mine. It is called the Notch Burger. And I got fries. We love pretzels, so we decided to try the pretzels. And it comes with cheese and honey mustard. Wow. And then we got these, what were these called?
Oh, those were called like cheddar fritters.
These are like cheddar fritters, and it has like jalapeno aioli or something.
Yeah.
These are so good. We ate some on the way home. And then Miss Maddy's is over here. She is doing a recap of her birthday to family. And she got the pub burger with fries.
I'm gonna try again here. I have nails. Or like fake nails. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. It's from Sarah. It's a case for my camera.
Dun, dun, dun,
Oh,
dun.
look at that.
It's pretty.
Oh, I love it. Oh, I know what this is. The Untitled Goose Game. Oh my gosh, I love this game so much. Oh, you're playing it with me.
All right.
Okay, I love that. Oh my gosh, the elephant in the garden. I've wanted this for so long.
Oh, it looks pretty.
It does look pretty. Ooh.